Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about division. What is meant by division? Division means sharing equally or making equal groups. We have to share equal. We have to share equally. Suppose we kept groups, we have to put equal groups. It is meant by division. Suppose I have 10 chocolates. I have to distribute the 10 chocolates to 5 students. I have to distribute the 10 chocolates to 5 students. Having with me 10 chocolates, I have to distribute to how many students? Yes, I have to distribute to 5 students. So, each student can get how many chocolates? Each student can get how many chocolates? Yes, 5 students is there. I have to distribute with me 10 chocolates to that 5 students. So in that 5 table 10, how many times it will come? 2 times. 5 2s are 10. So each child get 2 chocolates. Each child get 2 chocolates. I am equally sharing them. I am equally sharing them. Each student I am giving 2 chocolates. That is called division. Division means sharing equally or making equal groups. Making equal groups. What is the symbol for division? This is divided by. How we read it as? Divided by. Divided by. What is the symbol for division? Divided by. This is the symbol for division. The symbol for division, divided by. Okay, shall we do one example? We are dividing 8. We are dividing 16 with 8. We are dividing 16 by 8. 8 table is 16. How many times it will come? 8 2s are 16. So 16 after while we are doing division, we have to do the subtraction. So we get remainder 0. So in this, what is the names for this? These are the terms are there here. First, this 16. 16 is called dividend. What we call 16? Dividend. Dividend is the number to be divided. The number to be divided. Here, which number we are dividing? 16 we are dividing. So, this 16 is called dividend. The number to be divided. Which number we are dividing? 16. So, that 16 is called dividend. By what number we are dividing? By 8. We are dividing with 8. This 16 is dividing with 8. So, this 8 is called divisor. 8 is called divisor. The number by which to divide. The number by which to divide. Here dividing, which number we are dividing? 16. So, that 16 is called dividend. The 16 is dividing by what number? We are dividing this 16 with 8. So, this 8 is called divisor. This 8 is called divisor. The number by which to divide it. Okay, this 8 is called divisor. This 8 table, this 16, how many times we get? 2 times. 8 2 is 16. So, the 2 is called quotient. The 2 is called quotient. That quotient is the answer of the division. The quotient is the answer of the division. After doing this division, we get 0. We get something here. That is called remainder. That is called remainder. Remainder. After doing the division, after doing subtraction, we get here one number. Sometimes we get 0. Sometimes we will get some numbers. Whatever we get here, it is called remainder. It is called remainder. The number to be divided is called dividend. The number by which to divide it is called divisor. The answer is called quotient. The answer is called quotient. After doing the subtraction, we get one number here. It is called remainder. It is called remainder. Here, it is called division algorithm. After doing the division, is it correct or not? How we will check? We we use this one to check the division we did, it is right or wrong. What is here? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is about the division. Next one, division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Suppose for example 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. Division is repeated subtraction. We have to do the subtraction. From this 15 is called, what we call this 15? 15 is called dividend. This 5 is called divisor. We have to subtract this divisor from dividend. 15 minus 5. How much? 5 minus 5 is 0. Here 1. Again we have to subtract 5 from this number. 10 minus 5, 5. Again we have to subtract 5 from this number. Yes, we get remainder 0. Till to remainder 0, when we get up to, we have to do the subtraction. Here how many times we subtract 5? 1, 2, 3. So 5 we subtract 3 times. So what is the answer here? 3. 5 table 15 how many times? 3 times. How many times we subtract 5? We get the answer, we get the quotient here 3 times. So the answer is 3. Division is repeated subtraction. Till 2 we get the remainder 0. Up to that we have to do the subtraction. When we get 0, up to that time we have to do the subtraction. One more example. 36 divided by 9. 36 divided by 9. So 9 table we have to subtract 36 from, we have to subtract 9 from this 36. 36 minus 9. Here it is 16. Here it is 2. 16 minus 9, 7. 16 minus 9, 7. Here it is 2. 27. Again this 27 to do subtraction 9. 7 becomes 17. Here it is 1. 17 minus 9, 8. 1, 18. Again do subtraction 9. 18 minus 9, 9. Again do the subtraction 9. Yes, we get 0 here. Yes. How many times we did subtraction here? 1, 2, 3, 4 times we did subtraction 9. So the answer is 4. So the answer is 4. So the answer is 4. So division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction.